I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a patent in the UK. A patent is a powerful legal right granted by the UK Intellectual Property Office, protecting your new invention. It prevents others from making, using, or selling your creation without your consent. To qualify, your invention must be new, inventive, and capable of industrial application. This valuable protection can last for up to 20 years, offering a significant period of exclusivity for your innovation. Before filing, absolute confidentiality is crucial. Any public disclosure could invalidate your patent. Next, perform a comprehensive novelty search to confirm your invention is unique, avoiding prior art. Then, meticulously draft your application, including a detailed description of how your invention works, precise legal claims defining its scope, and a concise abstract summarizing its key technical features. Professional assistance can be invaluable here. Once prepared, file your application with the UK Intellectual Property Office, paying the initial fee of around £60 to £75 online. You must request a search within 12 months, which costs approximately £150. Your application then becomes publicly available around 18 months from filing. Finally, request a substantive examination within 6 months of publication, incurring a fee of about £100, where examiners assess patentability. If your application meets all criteria, your patent will be granted, typically within 2 to 4 years from filing. To maintain this protection, you must pay annual renewal fees to the UK Intellectual Property Office. The first renewal fee is due on the 4th anniversary of your filing date, starting around £70. These fees increase each year, ensuring your patent remains active for its maximum 20-year lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.